Well, one of my Facebook friends sent me this drawing. I finally had to get out my architecture ruler to find out what the dimensions were. I got them pretty close. I mean, I'm gonna have to do a few little changes here and there. And I guess that's me over there building this thing. And I think the birds are even gonna have a swing that I'll put in there. But anyway, I got to find out how big a chicken coop door is. The windows won't be no problem. This is some used plywood. I'm building this chicken coop for somebody over here in my area. All I'm on is for young chicken raising guy or gal, whoever it is. I'm just gonna, you know, depending on their financial situation, probably just give it to them. Probably won't be, because this stuff here, all this lumber that I've got is all off a job, so it's been pretty much given to me, so I can afford to give it away. I mean, just to get rid of it is worth more to me than anything. Well, I'm cutting in for the roof, and let's see. No, I think I'm doing this wrong. The roof needs to come in. I really don't even know what I'm doing, but I think the roof needs to come in off the long side, because this doesn't give them much room for maybe just a couple of them. I don't know. So let's do the roof, I guess, the long way. Okay. Okay, changed it again. We're going to go this way for height, and then we'll get the length by the other 36-inch pieces. To me, that looks too big. I think the height is fine, but I think I'll make it a little bit narrower. Now if the chickens get too fat, well then, too bad for them. I know this friend of mine showed me one on each. We might put two small ones up there close to the roof or something. Your guess is good as mine. Well, that way if they're on a perch or something, they can see out. I'll figure that out. Well, there's the front. One chicken coop entrance. Okay, let's get the sides and the roof on there. We got our side supports. Now we need to put in our roof supports, because this thing's kind of heavy, and it'd be nice to be able to tear it down and put it back together when I get over to whoever is going to get it, because I mean, this is a whole sheet of plywood, and it's probably going to be a little bit more than that. Anyway, let's get these nailed on, and then we'll start putting this thing together. One side will be stationary and the other side you lift up to take care of whatever you need to take care of. Howdy there, chickens. Back. Alright. We're gonna put a couple of shelves in here. I really don't know where to put them, but they'll be easy to move around. That kind of looks like it. Well, like I say, it's real close. Maybe I made the door too big, I don't know. Everything else looks pretty good. This is me. He drew here. And it's pretty good likeness as far as I can tell. I don't know. Maybe if I took my blue band off, it might look better, but well, all I gotta do now is just paint it. I don't know what color anybody wants it. Oh, and I gotta build the swing set. So we'll do that when we build the cage. Well, Crosscut wanted to get involved with the chickens. He heard me talking about them out here, so he had to come take a look. Oh, they must like Crosscut. Yeah, they must like Crosscut a lot. All they want to do is hang around with him. Okay.